Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, I'm going to make a healthy version of Biscoff spread, which is a popular European spread made of speculoos cookies, which have a rich, buttery and spicy flavour. And the spread is a little bit like the texture of peanut butter or nut butter, and yet it is nut-free, so it's good for those with allergies. The only problem with buying the commercial Biscoff spread is that it does tend to be very high in sugar and also may contain dairy products. So I'm going to make a vegan one that is also healthy and low in sugar. And it also has a biscuity, spicy and nut-like flavour. So it's a good substitute for peanut butter or nut butter. The ingredient in this is actually sunflower seeds. And sunflower seeds are a very healthy ingredient. They're rich in healthy fats. They support the immune system. They boost energy levels, and they're very high in protein and also a good source of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. So they're actually a really good food to include in your diet. So in here is a cup of sunflower seeds and about 2 tablespoons of oats. Yeah, I just toasted those in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes at 150 degrees. So just spread it on a baking tray and just toast it till it gets a bit of a toasty brown colour, and it brings out the flavour a little more and also gives it a more biscuity taste. So I'm just going to put those in the blender. So to add to this, I'm going to put in spices so it tastes a bit more like the European cookie. So I've got cinnamon here, so about a 1/4 teaspoon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. Spices are of course very good for you as well. They reduce inflammation, help to control blood sugar, fight bacteria and viruses, also very good for your teeth and your digestion and your skin. So I'm putting in clove powder now, 1/4 teaspoon, about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then some grated nutmeg. So now I just blend these ingredients until they become fine. So they've become like a bit powdery now. Now I'm just going to add a tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2.5 tablespoons of maple syrup, melted coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of that, and then I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of hot water as well. I've blended this for about a minute, and you can see it's turning into a smooth paste, a bit like peanut butter. So at this stage, if it's still like a bit lumpy and thick, you can add another tablespoon of hot water and just blend it again. So there we have a nice smooth paste that looks like nut butter, but of course it's nut free, but it still has that nutty biscuity taste. Okay, so there's the healthy Biscoff spread. So it makes a great alternative to nut butter, and this one of course is a lot lower in sugar than anything you would buy in the supermarket, and it tastes delicious too. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.